The system is creating a violent generation. The government and corporate society is allowing. I don't know how the government jumping at this still in a family. A parents are do it, brother. A family are do it. Like, it is easy to say the government sometimes. The government not raise up with them, brother. And me and you raise up with them, you know. How much the government can really do? Whether PNP government or JLP government down there, as it relates to the home situation. Like, I could be real about the thing and stop pointing fingers. We have too much baby mother and baby father. And way too few parents. You understand? Too many baby mothers and baby fathers, man. We want some parents, fam. Discipline, socialization starts at home. The first vehicle of socialization is the family, the home. I don't necessarily think the government should take blame for that. Are they doing enough to hold baby mothers and baby fathers accountable? Probably we can talk about that. Zane, but to say the government is to blame for youths being violent, I don't think so. You understand? We blame the government for everything sometimes. And so, that's not really right. If them forget blame, then get blame. But there are some instances where we just government. What we are do as people? What are we doing as fathers and mothers and brothers and sisters and aunts and uncles and grandparents? What are we doing? What have we been doing? What do we plan to do? Sit down and blame the government? So it's always easy to say government, bro. The system breakdown more. But where the system start from? That may ask. Where the system start from? As it relates to instilling values and morals and discipline. Where it starts? It doesn't start with the government. It starts in the home. You understand? Many of us are weed up on social media video the youth them across beer bad than a skin with teeth. You understand? A fun and enjoyment. Some little baby I tell some all big people. All them one. I see video with little boy I tell him father figure S him mother. So it's basically I'm here then I look on me I tell me figure S me Scarlett. And entertainment. See? Youth, young children are fight and instead of adults get involved and break it up, them are egg them on. We need to take some responsibility, man. Stop blame government for everything. Government is a problem in many regards, yes, but in this case, parents first, family members first. But we have a tendency, and I've spoken about this many times, we blame everybody. It's just like the gun situation coming into the country. So we blame the government. So fine, the borders are porous. I mean, not even know me reach around that, but me just make a point. I'm making a point. Our borders are porous and leaking like a sieve, yes? Our 140 informal points of entry and the points of entry them very, very porous and permeable. See? But we blame the United States authority because we say we cousin and we brother and we uncle and sometimes we sister and we auntie and them people and them buy the gun them send come here. But you hear the government this and then you know your brother and sister we are buy. You tell your brother and sister send off buy no more gun send come here. When your brother and sister buy the gun them send come here and you know, do you call the police and tell the police that your brother and sister send the gun them come here? When you know say your brother and sister kill some man round so you call the police and tell them say your brother and sister kill some man round so. No, you sit down there until the man family where your brother and sister kill round so come kill back you or your family. We know the people that we are do the foolishness in the country. We know the man them we are buy a gun and send come here. We know the man them we are order contract it round here so. And we not do nothing about it but we get up and we blame the government. And we know the problem. We cuss the police every day so them not do nothing and we not do nothing to support the police. We prefer to impede the police doing their jobs and getting at them way and all of these things instead of helping them. So enough of we are talking about crime, this and crime that we have opportunities for help in the crime fight, but we not do it because our family and our brethren them involved. You see, we reach a stage and we start defend criminals and criminality. Man out here at defense scammers, you know, man. I work, and I bad mind people, bad mind. And brother, most of the guns them, the recent guns them, the last 10 years I saw coming to the country. A lot of scamming fund the purchase of the guns them, we are kill off people, brother, but we are look here, we need to take some responsibility. That's all I have to say. We complain about everything and what we are doing. And we can do things, you know, but we not do nothing. You understand? We know some people we can shoot out, but we not shoot them out. Zine, and then them same people that come around and kill somebody for we. But then we did sit down. When we couldn't shoot them out, I want to shoot them out. Put the blame squarely where it go. We are our own biggest problem. Government are foolishness most of the time too. We not say no. Because nobody not beat them like teach them. You understand? Because them are our friend. We not business with the guy them. Zine, but the truth is that we need to take some responsibility too. The government need to do better, but we also as citizens, law-abiding, well-thinking Jamaican citizens, need to do better. You understand what I'm saying? And stop cast blame everywhere except the place where you go, man. Call out the right people then.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!